This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom watch list and market report for the week ending June 17th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is a Treasury Direct Account? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 0.32% on Friday, but was up 1.25% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 0.37% on Friday, but was up 2.58% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.68% on Friday, but was up 3.25% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 11 up finishes versus 4 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, all the major indexes finished up. On Wednesday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished up. And on Friday, all the major indexes finished down. New unemployment claims were 262,000. Retail sales increased 0.3% last month. Inflation rose at a 4% rate in May. Mortgage demand surged 6% for the week. Bitcoin dropped below $25,000 on Wednesday, and the Federal Reserve held off on raising interest rates. New unemployment claims, retail sales increasing, inflation rising, mortgage demand surging, Bitcoin dropping below $25,000, and the Fed not hiking interest rates are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is a Treasury Direct Account? A Treasury Direct Account is a web-based account that you can open directly with the US Treasury Department that gives you the ability to buy, manage, and redeem eligible Treasury securities via the internet. When you open a Treasury Direct account, you get a unique account number and password. You can then perform transactions on securities of which you have control. Specifically, you can buy Series EE bonds and Series I bonds. Series EE bonds currently pay 2.5% interest, and I bonds pay 4.3% interest. In addition to individuals, financial institutions, and government investors can open Treasury Direct accounts. To get a Treasury Direct account, go to www.treasurydirect.gov. Once on the Treasury Direct homepage, look to the upper right side corner, select Open an Account, open the Treasury Direct, open an account page, then select Treasury Direct. Read the steps on the Open an Account page, and you can have your own direct account with the US Treasury. Are you interested in opening a Treasury Direct account? Do you want to invest in US bonds? Do you want to have a mixture of US bonds and stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading. especially books. School taught you to be a worker, they did not teach you how to be an investor. And they taught you absolutely nothing about the US financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside trading watch list from the week ending June 17th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was United States Natural Gas, ticker symbol UNG in the second column. It was up 2.42% on Friday and increased 15.59% for the week. UNG is an ETF that invests primarily in futures contracts for natural gas, crude oil, heating oil, gasoline, and other petroleum-based fuels that are traded on the New York Mercantile Exchange and other exchanges in the U.S. as well as in other countries. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that UNG has decreased more than 49% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from UNG this week, but I may in the future. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow. That is trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is up 26.25% versus 14.91% up for SPY, a difference of 11.34%. The Southside is beating SPY by more than 11%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 0.98% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 1.51%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 2.22%. Bitcoin watch, Bitcoin loss 0.22% this past week, and it still appears to be on the verge of a bull market. Though it is down more than 61% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021, it is up almost 60% year to date. I sold option contracts on one position this week. It was a call that ranged from $0.00 to $24.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschoolofffinancialfreedom.com. In order to increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists, levels 1, 2, and 3, and they are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.